As an access permit manager, you have the permission to grant access for other users to the systems. You can go into the dashboard tab. Here you can see the access permit history. You can see the access permits that has been registered. You can go in and see the details. You could also see which active sessions are now using the system. And to manage the access permits, you go into the access permit tab. Press the access permit administration button, and from here you can then go into the access permit in question. Here you can see all the details of who registered it, for what time, and for what reason, and you can then approve using the approve button. Here you could fill in your comments, and when you approve this, this will be sent back with the approval email to the user. Thank you and good luck.